Hi guys, how are you doing? This is Malinee from Malinee's channel. Today I'm gonna make Hainanese chicken rice with Thai spicy sauce. This recipe is very simple. We're gonna cook rice, chicken and soup all together in one pot. You will get very juicy and tender chicken, flavorful rice and rich soup. First, mince 1 head of garlic or around 8 cloves of garlic. Use ginger root around 2 inches, mince finely. Soak 1 cup of rice in water for 1 hour. Drain water from the rice, then add the garlic and ginger to the rice. Add half teaspoon of salt. The chicken I use weighed around 4.5 pounds. Clean the chicken and take off all the gut inside. Next, we're gonna put rice into the chicken. I'm done stuffing. Next, I'm gonna use toothpick to skewer the chicken butt. Put the whole chicken into the Dutch oven, press side up. Then add 6 cups of water or until cover half of the chicken like this. Cover the lid, use medium heat. After 15 minutes, it's boiling. Reduce the heat to the lowest and cook for another 75 minutes or everything is fully cooked. Here my rice and my chicken are done. Let's make Thai spicy sauce. Chop 6 chilies, half a cup of lime juice, 1/4 cup of fermented soy sauce, and 1/4 cup of black soy sauce, 1/4 cup of sweet soy sauce, 4.5 tablespoons of sugar, 1 cup of minced ginger. Mix everything except ginger together, taste it, and adjust to your liking. If you are happy with the taste, then add ginger, mix well. I took the chicken out of the pot and now it's ready to serve. Serving it with cilantro and cucumber, but I don't have cucumber here. Let's taste the soup. I haven't seasoned anything in the soup yet, but it's very flavorful, it's very rich. Awesome chicken broth. Sweet from the chicken. Next, let's taste the chicken. This is the breast. Normally, I don't like breast because it's dry, but you can see that this chicken is not dry at all. It's very juicy and very tender. Now I'm having rice, very flavorful and very aromatic from the chicken, garlic, and also ginger. And if you eat it with the sauce, it's even more flavorful. Hainanese chicken rice is one of my favorite dish. This recipe is very simple. I hope you give it a try. I hope you enjoy my video. Thank you for watching and please subscribe so you won't miss my next video. See you later. Bye bye.